Welcome back, fellow coding facilitators. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use studios and why they might be helpful for your classes. So when I was working at Desert Thunder in the Avondale Elementary School District, I created studios to make it easy for the coders that I worked with to find some projects for either inspiration or to remix. So for instance, I made a studio that was a collection of stories, another one that was a collection of games, things like that. So when you click on any of these, it actually takes you to a curated collection of projects. So these are all projects that either I made, DT Technology, or that some of the kids that I worked with, the coders that I worked with, created. So to actually create one of these, you just go up to your folder, the My Stuff link, and then you can simply click on the New Studio or go to My Studios. And so when you click on this, it's going to create a new one. You can give it a title, whatever you want. So you can be like Best Studio Ever. And you can simply click where it says Add Projects. And then it'll pull up a bunch of different projects that you can add to it by saying, hey, I want to add this one. So this is great for if you wanted to showcase some really interesting projects that some of the coders made, or if you wanted to be like, hey, here's your list of different projects that I've made for you. Pick one of these that looks interesting, and then they'll go in and remix or make their own. Now, I want to show you how to actually find the BootUp studios. So let me go to one of our lesson plans. So this is the first one, animate your name. And if we go to the tool on the left and click on resources, we have over here a bunch of different links. The one that I wanted to share with you is the example projects. When you click on that, it's going to take you to a project that I made. And if you look down here on the bottom right, it shows you which studios this project is in. So these are two BootUp studios, so the first release for year one, and then one for drawing and animation. Now, if I wanted to add this particular project to more studios, I could click, if I'm signed in, under studios, and then select any of the other studios that I made. Simply click to make it a green check mark, and then it's going to work. Now, if I want to see other projects that are inside of this, I can actually go to drawing and animation and click on that, and that'll show you more projects that are related to drawing and animation. Now, another way you can actually find different studios is you can click on like our BootUp name or any profile name. And when you scroll down, it shows you the studios that the person made, like this one, or any of the ones that they're following. So if we view all, we can actually see all the different studios that we have. So for example, if you want to find all of the projects that were released for our first release in our first year, you simply click on this studio and it'll show you all the different projects that we have on here, the different resources. So this will make it easier for you to find stuff, also make it easier for you to create your own studios that you can share with the coders that you're working with. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions on resources that I can create for you, please let us know.